Hi, my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee, and you are viewing the How To Lady. So today we have an exciting piece. We're going to show you how we enjoy the holidays by embracing our community events. And let's do it. Knock it out of the park. All right, so now we're at an evening event, the Natural Science Center, and they have a display of lights, and we're excited about being here. So I'll keep you all posted as we go through the actual event. Wow, these are beautiful. Look at the lit Christmas trees. I love it. Awesome. We are here for the Winter Wonder Lights at the Natural Science Center in Greensboro, North Carolina. It's going to be amazing. We're really excited about seeing all the lights. So this is a wonderful event that you can take advantage of. The cost is minuscule, affordable, and family fun. A great time to bond and have a great time. So let me show you what we do. All right, see y'all in a sec. Besides being family-oriented and cost-friendly, I really enjoyed how the event was well organized. They supplied you with a map upon entry. Because the event was held at night and outdoors, this was a great idea. This map facilitated attendees with navigating the event, deciding which areas they wanted to visit, as well as get back to the exit. Additionally, they had park attendees that greeted you at each entry, and they gave you a brief description of what that feature was about. This event was so phenomenal. You'll hear me say, "This is great, this is awesome," at least 1,000 times. This is awesome. Look at the entrance. It starts out with the awesome lights. So this is the Winter Wonder Lights, and look at that. That is amazing. The entrance is awesome, and it starts out with setup here. So excited. This is an outside event, and it's absolutely amazing. You're walking down the ramp, and you see all of these wonderful lights. Oh my goodness, I love it. It's so festive. Absolutely amazing. Hi. Hey, look at her. She cute. Look at this. Wow. There's snow.
There's some snow.
Oh, I gotta get in it. Rub-a-dub-dub. Here we go.
Okay, come on. Why does it snow randomly stop?
Great. I love it. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Oh, the Enchanted Forest. Beautiful, I love it. The video does not do it justice. It's absolutely beautiful. Gingerbread house. Oh, this is beautiful. They have snowflakes that guide your path as you walk through to see the lights. This is amazing. As I stated earlier, the video does not do it justice. It is well attended. People are out and about. They're excited about being out for the holidays. So yeah, this is awesome. Oh, look down there. Lord, see how it's changing colors? It's beautiful. The video is not doing it justice, as I stated earlier, but this is a great event.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh wow, this is amazing. Look at the lights. They lead you down to this little path here, And there's a little area where kids can play. And they have a snowflake video going on there. This is beautiful. The video is not doing it justice, guys. Now this is a really nice path here. You can see all of the the statues of the animals are illuminated. It is simply beautiful out here. I love it. The trees are lit with uplighting, and the path, they're all lit. The lights are beautiful. I wish you all were here with me. It is very festive. This tunnel is amazing. I love it. Look at all the lights. It's gorgeous. I wish you guys were here with me, but I hope you can enjoy what I'm showing you. During this time of the year, the weather in North Carolina can be very unpredictable, so dressing warmly should be considered when attending this outside event. Look, y'all, it's a nice path where you walk right on up to the next lighting expedition. So I'll be back at you in a minute. Look at that. Beautiful. We just entered the snowball surprise. I love it. It's turning all sorts of colors, guys. You can't see it on the actual video, but I'm trying to give you the blow by blow. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, now we're going through another little area where they have these great lights that are dripping. It looks like they're dripping. They look amazing. We're going down to a little Christmas tree forest. It appears as if we are. Isn't that awesome? Oh, amazing. Love it. Nice. This is a great event. Oh, look at this. Beautiful. I love it. This is also beautiful. It's like a curtain of light on a pathway. Now we're in Candy Cane Lane. Beautiful. Check it out, y'all. Ornament Lane. Teddy bear. It's a teddy bear. Oh, I love this. Beautiful. Happy holiday. They even have a little show. This is awesome. Look at it. Yay. most part, that ends the Winter Wonderlight, and it was amazing. Of course, the event concluded at a gift shop, and attendees were able to make purchases if they desired to do so. This event was outstanding. Oh, my favorite one, the red tree. Beautiful. One final thing I liked about this event is it lasts until January, so families have time to plan to attend. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.